Hi loves, happy new month. Yes, welcome to the month of February, even though it's technically a new year for me, because honestly January was just like a trial run. This is my new year, so I feel so happy, I feel so pumped. I showed you guys a bit of my morning routine. I woke up early. I wake up at 6 a.m. These days I go to the gym, so I went to the gym. I got back, had a good workout, got back, cleaned up a bit, did laundry, and then I showered. I just ate, and now I'm about to take my multivitamins. So thank you, Ritual, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Every new year we get super pumped to write down our goals. I know I'm really guilty of this, and one of the top goals I keep writing down every single year usually has to do with health. I do that in terms of like going to the gym because I really want to be more active. That's really the main reason I go to the gym. But another aspect, when it comes to health, is actually, eating right and taking the right nutrients. And sometimes it gets really like overwhelming when you're like faced with so many options and you have to eat this food and that to get all the nutrients you really do need to function at optimum level. That's where the Ritual Essential for Women 18 Plus multivitamin really comes in handy. It's made traceable because Ritual believes that you deserve to know what you are putting in your body, what it is made with, and where it is from. So whatever is written on their label is exactly what is in here. It's also vegan and gluten-free. The capsules also contain key nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin D3, omega-3, just to mention a few, which can help in heart health, brain health, normal immune function in just 2 daily capsules. The capsules also have a feature called the delayed release, which basically means that it's designed to be gentle on an empty stomach. So it's not mandatory that you have to eat before taking this vitamin. So if you can put it in a place where you can see, maybe you're brushing your teeth and you see it right there, you can take it. Another thing I really like about the Rituals Essential for Women 18 Plus multivitamin, why can't I say that, is that I really like the clear bottle, and you can see how far or how much or how less you're actually taking your vitamins, because I've used vitamins before, but like it would always be covered and I'm like, I don't really know if I'm really taking it or not. But seeing it, you just want to like finish it. And also the packaging is also recyclable, which is really good. So if you want to try out this multivitamin subscription, improve your health, you don't have to wait till something happens before you start taking the essential nutrients you actually need as a young adult, feel free to click the link in my description and use my code to get 20% off your first month. All right. Hi loves, so sorry if you can hear the noise. The window is open. I really need to get an AC in this room, but yeah, it's actually a lot later now. I don't even know if this is supposed to be a morning routine, but I've been working all day. I was trying to like finalize the vlog for today, and I wanted to actually show you guys a sneak peek at my Notion template. Again, it's a new month, so I had done this for January, and I'm trying to do it again for February. Hope you guys can hear me. So yeah, this is a template. I actually downloaded it. I can't remember. If I remember the link, I'll link it below. But I downloaded it and I basically just made it to mine. Like put the pictures I like, all of that. So, and I renamed it. So we have content class. You guys have been asking, don't worry, it's coming. And inspiration 2023 goals is a bit private, but like yeah, I have plans, work, content calendar, daily calendar, all of that. But I'm trying to like start another one for February, so let's go to that one. As you can see, fresh page, and a video is gonna go out today. So the title, I'm gonna title it YouTube video, and I can just see what is coming up. So for example, I have an event today on this day, and I'm gonna call this event, sorry, influencer gig. Wow, I can't spell influencer. That's great. Color do I want to give her? So it's like, what do I want to give the influencer gifts? Let's give them green. So anytime I see green, because like color coordination, so I know, okay, this is coming up. And yeah, that's kind of how I map up my calendar. So I'm just going to take out some time to do this, and then I'll kind of show you guys what I have for now. Let me show you what I have done so far. Not much, but I don't want to feel pressured because you guys are waiting for me. So sorry for the noise. I'll pull up the screen. So this is the YouTube video. You can see February 1, Wednesday, I have a YouTube video going up in a few minutes. February 3rd, I'm supposed to film a video, like some fashion videos. And I'll later on now pick what day would go up because this is my content calendar. So my daily calendar is like for my daily tasks, like, oh, my to-dos, kind of like just planning my life outside, because I have a life outside like YouTube and content and all of that. So my other kind of maybe like it has to do with work as well, but not like content work. Yeah, so February 5th, Sunday, another vlog should go up. February 7th, relaxer update will go up. February 10th, morning routine or productive day, which is today's on actually, and it is sponsored, so I color coordinated it a different color to show that it's routine. They were all different, but I was like, let me leave the YouTube content as red, but this is purple because it's sponsored, so it's like draw your attention, this needs to be approved, all of that. Then I have an influencer event on 11, so I know what I'm doing, and whenever I do this, I'm more consistent, all of that. I usually do this like offline, like on paper, but this time again, like I told you guys, I want to bring everything, like I want to be more digital and just have everything in one place. So this is kind of like how I do it. And if I if I go back to my mind, you know, oh my god, my network should not embarrass me. So there's other things. I also have my next 3 months. I have my goals there. I don't want to open it because it's quite personal, but my next 3 months I categorize it like career goals, personal goals. I can't remember the last one, but yeah, my goals are there and I just tick them off, and financial goals, all of that. And I think that's what I'm going to stop for Notion. I really want to create my vision board finally, because I keep putting it off. I'm so lazy right now, but I am going to try and do that right now and change the wallpaper of my laptop. I think this will be the last thing we do before this video comes to an end. It's kind of different. I hope you guys liked it, but yeah. Hi. Do I want to be in this position or another position? Hold on. I think I kind of like this. I went to get a drink because I feel like it's going to be a long one. I'm so tired and I did not want to do this, but I just felt like I have been putting off this for so long. Every single year. This is why I've never had like a vision board, because I'm just like, oh, I'm tired, but we're gonna do it. So I literally just took like the last 30 minutes downloading the images I want to put. I got all these images from Pinterest. I'm actually on Pinterest, and you can follow me and see my pins on my boards. So I'm on Canva right now, and I'm gonna click on create design, custom size. Right, so 1920. 1080. So it's here. Uploads. My laptop is so clustered. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna drag. I have 126 images. Why? I'm just gonna drop it here, and I'm just gonna start uploading and resizing. And yeah, I'll be back when I'm done because that is going to be too long. Okay. Guys, I actually did it. I actually finished it and I like it. I don't think it's like the typical mood board. Okay, let me show you guys. I don't know, my screen recording is not working. If you guys can see, I just, just filled in stuff. As you can see, there's money, of course. I wanted to put things that just made me feel happy, if that makes sense. Like the not mood board, sorry, vision board. When I see it, it just gives me this feeling and I'm happy. I don't really need to, I don't know, I just didn't want to put things I would normally see. And I'm like, for example, maybe like a car. I'm not really a car person. Like, I would love a nice car, but like, it's not something I'll put on my vision board. Like, it doesn't really do anything for me. Your vision board should be able to maybe motivate you. And I don't know, something simple that this just does, yeah, just some inspirational quotes here and there, self-care, money, vitamins, like I said, like rituals, for example, sleeping because I need to sleep more, just like hairstyles that make me feel like, that girl, drinks, drink more water, fruits, of course, travel, you already know, relationships, all of that. So things just they give me this sort of feeling. I'm just going to export that, make that my wallpaper, finally delete the unnecessary like pictures on my wallpaper, and yeah, we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me, and I'm actually so happy I did this. Like, I've been postponing this, my actual first vision board. That's so crazy. That's my first vision board. I'm also gonna make this my wallpaper. I think you can just change the dimensions and it fits your iPhone screen. Yeah, let me see how that looks. It's going to be so cute.